Welcome to day 23. It's the power of regular reflection in an online business. So, one of the most powerful tools in online business growth is regular reflection of what's going on in your daily life. Taking a step back to reflect might seem kind of strange, but it's really essential for sustainable success. Reflecting isn't about looking back, it's about gaining clarity, understanding patterns, and making informed decisions that shape your future. When you make reflections on regular practice, you transform experiences into valuable insights. This deliberate pause in your business routine reveals hidden opportunities to help you understand certain strategies that yield better results than others. By analyzing your journey, you create the powerful feedback loop that informs your decisions and helps you adapt. Through consistent reflection, you can identify your unique strengths, leverage what makes your business special instead of getting caught up in comparing yourself to others and trying to replicate someone else's success formula. Reflections help you develop your authentic strategies that resonate with your audience and strengthens your brand identity. Regular reflection is crucial for effective goal setting and strategy planning. By reviewing your process consistently, you can set realistic goals and align with your capabilities while creating achievable steps towards your larger objectives. This practice helps you break down your ambitious goals into manageable actions and ensure steady progress towards your vision. Time management improves significantly through thoughtful reflection. By analyzing how you spend your time and energy, you can identify activities that truly drive business growth and adjust your focus accordingly. The awareness helps you prioritize tasks that deliver the best returns and eliminate those that don't deserve your goals. Customer feedback becomes more valuable than processed through reflection. Regular analysis of customer interactions and market responses help you identify opportunities for improvement and innovation. The deeper understanding leads to better products, more effective marketing, stronger customer relationships, and the drive to sustainable growth. Finally, reflection plays a vital role in maintaining. By regularly assessing your stress levels and satisfaction, you can make necessary adjustments before burnout becomes an issue. Remember, your personal energy and enthusiasm directly impact the business success, making this self-awareness essential for the long-term growth. Data analysis becomes truly powerful when combined with thoughtful reflection. While the matrix provides valuable information, reflection helps you understand the story behind the numbers and makes informed decisions that align to your business goals. This balanced approach ensures that the businesses are sustainable, not just chasing metrics. Regular reflection helps you to understand which aspects of the business truly resonate with your audience. This insight allows you to refine your approach and create more meaningful connections, leading to better engagement and sustainable growth. By consistently reviewing and adjusting your strategies, you ensure that your business remains aligned with both your goals and your customers' needs. So, looking ahead, reflection will continue to be your most valuable tool in your business success. And in an increasingly complex digital landscape, the ability to assess and adjust becomes crucial. By making reflection on a regular part of your business practice, you're investing in sustainable growth and building a more resilient business that can adapt and thrive. This is for day 23. I will see you for day 24 tomorrow.